question, my answer changes.
So, what is your most favorite Shan song? It is the most obvious question.
Every time I'm asked this question, my answer changes. You know, I think it's a question I've asked a lot. I'll say right now, recently at least, I think actually, I should have a song called "Aisa Hota Hai." I think it's extra special, one of Dad's first songs. It's extra special. This is Bua as well.
I was going to give you a grand gesture. So guys, introducing Mahi, the one जिसके नाम से हम लोग को smiles मिलते हैं. As you can see, I was smiling the moment he entered the house. And welcome Mahi on Pop Diaries. I don't know if you're nervous. Do you get nervous? अभी इतने stage shows के क्या nervous चल. So nervous तो है ही नहीं वो, पर मैं हूँ. Because he gives flutters, he gives feelings of wanting more, and अभी कोई इतना handsome. अच्छा, by the way, I have to tell you a very funny thing, okay, about Mahi. So I met him in the lift. The lift was opening. मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, वो उस side है. वो घुसे अंदर, if you remember.
Yes, I have.
Of course, thank God. So he remembers, and the first thing he said that, oh, we're Mukherjees. हम लोग तो siblings हैं भाई. पहली बार किसी लड़के ने मुझे, किसी खूबसूरत लड़के ने जो इतना अच्छा गाता है, मुझे सिबलिंग बोला. सर, I take offense. I take offense. आपने मेरे को बोला मैं 22 साल की दिखती हूँ, इसमें मुझे बहन बना दिया.
सीख रहा है.
Okay, हम और ट्रेनिंग दे देंगे.
करना पड़ेगा.
But I did plan a grand gesture for you. तो आधा अधूरा रह जाएगा तो कर दूँ? Okay. तुम्हें जान से ज्यादा, सारे जहान से ज्यादा प्यार करने का सोचा है. तुम्हें जान से ज्यादा, सारे जहान से ज्यादा प्यार करने का सोचा है, सोचा है. Welcome Mahi to Pop Diaries. But not better than you. And we will be listening to you, doing all 90s retro and your renditions and your songs, please. People are waiting for that. But उसके पहले थोड़ी बातचीत हो जाते हैं. So can we have some chairs over here so that we can sit and आराम से talk, guys? I think we'll start with the easy questions.
Sure. Yeah.
I'm known to be very difficult.
Are they hard questions?
Of course.
I'm under heavy pressure. My entire family.
Don't worry. Do you want me to ask or not? कौन सी questions है तो नहीं पता?
Everything is game.
Everything is game. Even like, are you dating someone right now or not? I'm supposed to ask this question, guys. This is supposed to make the headlines, okay? Are you? You're not? Okay, so we'll start with the most easiest question. So, what is your most favorite Shan song? It is the most obvious question, but let's start with something simple.
I think every time I'm asked this question, my answer changes. You know, I think it's a question I've asked a lot. But I'll say right now, recently at least, I think actually I should have a song called "Aisa Hota Hai." I think it's extra special, one of Dad's first songs. It's extra special. This is Bua as well. So yeah, I remember the first time I heard that, I saw the music video and I was very confused because they had different parents in that, and I was very young. At that point, I didn't even grasp the idea of a music video. So I was like, Thamu used to look like this. I was very confused. And Dadu used to look like this.
And their father used to look like that.
Yeah, and also, I mean, Bua had, nice long hair. Dad also had like nice long hair. And longer hair, in fact. So then that was confusing. But that song, it's a good throwback.
Sorry, I'm very tempted to say this, but having said that, there's Sagrika in the house.
थोड़ा डीप क्वेश्चंस में जाते हैं करेंगे या फिर कोई दूसरा प्रोफेशन भी कभी दिमाग में आया था कि नहीं साइंटिस्ट बनूं
I think obviously at times we have that implication that cricketer बनना है मुझे footballer बनना है मुझे volleyball player बनना है and I think that was the case in this to my school friends here I was quite I was pretty active in school I used to study hard and
she said no she said what are you talking about dude I don't know that money never seen that money at all
I was my nepotism पे बात में और nepotism हो रहा है लेकिन my Masi was also on the board director at Oberoi, the school I went to. So, like writing the jokes. Yeah, we same situation. But I used to focus hard in school, and because of that, I used to think maybe financial analysis, maybe journalist, maybe stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, I'm very happy to be a singer. This is what I've always. I think deep down I always wanted to be this. I was just sort of building up the courage to say it and try for it finally. So,
thank God you're not a journalist वरना मेरा काम ले लिया होता
I mean, I don't know if I'd be as good, but I'll give it a good go.
thank you he's learning he is yeah he's getting it yeah so you seem to kind of find someone who are you trying to search
No one. I'm just looking around. I just want to make sure that
I
everyone
thought
saying hi
no,
to
I am not
everyone.
dating someone वाला चीज गलत हो जाएगा यहीं पे so I'm trying to find that one person I'm flirting with right now
Maybe I'm also looking for the last 2-3 years.
has anyone ever told you that you really sound and look a lot like yes
Every day. Kabhi people don't know also. They say, you look like Shan, man. And I say, yeah.
obviously
Yeah, no,
I mean it would be a little difficult I mean
yeah, it's natural. I think one more is yeah, it's something I think obviously naturally your son tends to look to his father for how to act, how to conduct yourself, and naturally I've done so. But I do also feel the need to highlight that my mom is here.
and she's very beautiful
She is very much so.
I mean skincare drop kar dijiye. But I have to ask you while you were growing up what's the best and worst in a way best and worst advice given by Shan to you best and worst
Best advice from dad. I think it's all like, every time someone asks me this question, I have the same answer. I started also the same way. Is that people immediately assume that musical advice hoga, right? Because Shan sir se aaya.
of course
But obviously for me, he's my dad, so it's not necessarily musical advice. I think one good thing is sounds reverse, but like just basically the power of a smile, whether that be in music or just in general. How far that can go in terms of just whether it's meeting new people, being around someone, just in general, just keeping a happy vibe, spreading positivity, smiling helps.
absolutely
Good
I
time to
do
smile. And worst advice. There's one funny story. Susha
Please do
is here, right? So she can attest to it. Once I was shooting a music video in COVID. Okay, it was like a cover video. He used to do covers. Dil Dina Kalai. It was that song, and I asked Dad to shoot it for me. But every time he clicked record, he was stopping the recording, and every time he thought he was stopping the recording, he was starting the recording. So when I went back to edit the entire thing, I just had in between of being like, that was a good take. So that, now that music video is off the internet, but somehow if I ever find it and re-upload it, It's the worst music video you'll see in your life. Because I had maybe 30 seconds of actual footage that I could use in that entire video.
Sounds like my dad. Relate. Completely relate. But moving to a very serious question. This is something that I've noticed about you a lot. And especially about your music. I think the reason why people really love your music is because it has this quality of, or the essence of being very upbeat. Even when you're singing a song which has a lot of ethos, a lot of essence, soul in it, like Janses are actually. But even in such a romantic number, there is something kind of, a retro feeling comes to it. And do you attribute that feel to the fact that you want to connect the audience back to the days when music was a very beautiful language to convey feelings?
I don't think it's something necessarily special about my voice or my music.
I think I will kind of hold you on that part. I think it kind of puts you very apart from other people in a way, because I've seen the generation of music coming out today is, I don't know, एक तरीके का हो गया है, मतलब एक कॉर्नर हो गया है, and वैसा ही म्यूजिक बार-बार बन रहा है. But when it comes to your music, the only thing that I found is very class apart, keeps it very class apart, is the feel, is the retro feel, and I feel connected to the 90s kid. I'm a Gen Z, 96 born, but I really do connect to that music. मुझे वो दिन के music का,
I think in that sense, I mean, vocally it's a, I guess, older sort of outlook on things, in the sense that आजकल you see a lot more of a thinner voice or more head voice. But that's something I think also the classical sort of base of doing.
or sleepy voice.
Yeah, or sleepy voice. But again, I think it's just, I mean, we all grow up listening to sort of different music, right? I think I've grown up listening to a lot of that era of music as well. Naturally, I mean, obviously growing up with my family, you tend to listen to different kinds of music as well. I think that helped a lot. I think another thing that helped a lot was the fact that the training started early on Hindustani classical. I think at that point, maybe if I had started training with something different like a Western vocals or something, maybe I would have had a different approach. But because of that, I mean, when we do Riyaz, it's very much focus on the sur. That's your main thing, right? So naturally, your voice there, your chest voice, that's what's coming out. So for me also, that sort of happened to be the style that I tend to sort of gravitate towards, is that I like that little nachos. This is the voice. Yeah. One master right here. Show me what that looks like. And yeah, I mean, I'm trying to tone it down as well. Too much of anything like that. But again, it's a learning process. If I was that good.
No, you are kind of.
I know, but long way to go, right?
Absolutely, of course. I mean, the moment you start thinking that you are already there, you kind of stop growing.
Absolutely, yeah.
And singers are always learning, musicians are always learning. That's how we are growing, I think. I completely relate to that fact. I want to know if right now, looking back, I know it's still a long journey ahead, but right now looking back, अगर ऐसी 3 चीजें हैं that you wish it may not be related to music only. These 3 things that you would like to tell your child self, कि कुछ ऐसा जो शायद थोड़ा different करता journey को.
There is a 2012 में Bitcoin में थोड़ा डाल दो. And I'm really joking.
I wish I could also sing that to myself.
I think I don't think I took music as seriously as I should have. Maybe from about 9. I think growing up also, I would see Dad judge on a lot of these shows, right? Saregama, Lit Champs, The Voice India, all of these ones, especially the kids versions. But I have kids younger than me who are singing 25 times better than me, right? And at that point is when you realize that okay, these are people who have started probably singing since they can speak, right? So naturally, obviously, I mean, they're not better because they woke up better. They're better because they did that much more riyaz to get better. So I mean, ideally, if I could just go back in the past and do it, I would probably push myself to work harder from a lot earlier on. Then I'd probably be a lot better right now. But one more thing is probably take less pressure on school. I feel like I just dying till like 10th grade, and then
I relate to that part where you said that you see kids on these reality shows.
जी.
And you know, I'll tell you something of my own also.
हाँ
यार सच बोल रही हूँ, ये लोग मेरे को कॉम्प्लेक्स दे देते हैं.
Yeah.
Seriously, I sometimes do feel that maybe if I had started more earlier, started more better, then I would be more better, somewhere different right now and everything. तो वो comparison वो हमेशा दिमाग में ना, it's like a struggle that you need to
जी,
keep on.
yeah, I think it's there, but the good thing is like I wouldn't say कि मतलब आज भी I sit and think shit, gosh.
Exactly.
I started. Yeah, I think it's मतलब if I'm getting the opportunity to go to the past, then तो I would do it. But right now I think the focus is less on I wish I was starting. I wish I worked harder back then. And now it's more of I will work harder right now.
Absolutely.
And that's the.
Yeah, living in the present. I'm trying to put that thing into my daily life practice right now. बहुत difficult है.
And I think one more thing which I could tell my past self. Any suggestions?
We are asking the
what
audience.
would you tell your past self?
What would you guys like to tell your past self? Is there something that you would like to tell your past self?
My hair was very bad. Oh, good one. Very funny one. No one told me for the longest time कि जब मतलब we put shampoo and conditioner है, correct? For shampoo and conditioner. No one told me that conditioner you put this much of. किसी ने नहीं बताया. तो from ages 6 to 16, my hair was super silky, super flat, super straight. And everyone used to ask me, how's your hair so this? I was like, natural or this. Then finally someone explained to me कि conditioner इतना डालना पड़ता. But at some point my hair started falling out. Then I went to the dermatologist and I said, I'm going bald. And then, so that would be my third thing. I would tell my childhood self. Yeah, I mean, my nanu does have a full head of hair. Which is, Baba, why I was getting so stressed. Because I'm seeing Nanu with so much hair, my hair is falling out. I was wondering कि कुछ तो गलत है. Then I figured कि it was that.
Thank God, at least you came to know that time was right.
16 years too late. At least it happened.
Come on, now you're great. Inspired.
Thank you.
Inspired. Okay. When your first stage show happened, what was the feeling like? Like the first time you were on stage, facing the crowd, facing the people, कभी-कभार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I remember the first time I was on camera, and the first time I was on stage with the audience, छोटी थी लेकिन फिर भी, तो मैं literally कांप रही थी, literally, मेरा आवाज़ कांप रहा था, मैं कांप रही थी, and I just froze. In front of the camera also I froze. And what was it for you?
I think there were like a few versions of it. Because the first time I performed was with dad on stage, and at that point मतलब वो safety net है, right? कहीं सुर हिल गया, कहीं lyrics भूल गया, he's right there. He just pick up the mic and he'll sing over. So that point the nerves weren't as much because he was there. At some point when the first, I think one performance that happened with I was performing with my brother. He was accompanying on the keys. We were doing a song called Overjoyed, it's a Stevie Wonder song, and completely bombed on stage, right? Like was literally, I forgot the lyrics. Midway, 5-10 seconds before the song ended, I was crying, right? And that obviously, at that point, I made a this from this point on, I cannot ever go on stage unprepared. But I would say the first time I genuinely felt like, I'm on stage now. This was my first proper show that we had done only a few months ago, where it was like, okay, this is not even this. I think this concert is Mahi life, right? That was the sort of differentiator. That was scary. There was Eddie right now on the cap. He was there. He accompanies me on the drums on all live shows, and yeah, it was scary. I'm sure he also remembers. I was not exactly at my finest, but it's also I did recognize that it was my first show. So even after that, I did get off stage, heard the recordings. It wasn't at my best, but I said, there's another show tomorrow. This is my first one. So it's fine. And I think that's the good thing about having so many people around you who are that experience, right? You get wisdom that may take you 20 years to achieve. You just get it told to you, right? And as long as you trust the judgment, you believe it.
True, very true.
Yeah.
Okay, but I have some fun games planned for you. सिर्फ बातें नहीं है, थोड़ा games भी खेलेंगे.
हाँ जी.
And सबसे पहले तो हम चालू करेंगे सिचुएशनल सिंगिंग के साथ.
Situational singing.
Yes. I'm gonna tell you. Go ahead.
Okay.
So this is where you basically interact with the crowd.
Nice.
The crowd is going to give you situations, random situations देंगे. अरे मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड भाग गया मुझे धोखा देके. तो क्या गाना गाओगे?
What was the situation?
गाड़ी पहले नहीं था तो अच्छा ठीक है. बॉयफ्रेंड भाग गया धोखा देके. Actually मैं नहीं गया. Actually मैं.
Boyfriend भाग गया.
हाँ धोखा देके.
Oh, I was wondering. तो एक ये कैसे कहूँगा? नहीं I was very confused. But whatever. So boyfriend भाग गया, धोखा दे दिया, and I have to give the girl. I'm consoling the girl.
Yeah, you have to give a. I mean, you have to give situation के हिसाब से एक गाना देना पड़ेगा. और गाना गाना भी पड़ेगा. You can hum it 2 lines. कुछ भी गाना.
See, it's मतलब if I'm consoling my own girlfriend, then गाना है अभी.
Why are you going to console your own girlfriend?
Because
There's a girl.
so am I the boyfriend who's giving the धोखा?
No.
Yeah. भूल जा जो हुआ से भूल जा है कसम तुझे मुस्कुरा खुद को यूं न दे तू सजा उन यादों को तू भूल जा. I have no clue why.
But you still sang the right song.
Thank you. Oh,
Yeah.
it was supposed to be this song.
Yeah.
मेरे टीम में प्लान तो नहीं किया ना ये?
But now who else is going to give me the second situation? Guys, come on, be sport. Yeah.
Yes.
Chalo.
You can be down in front. So basically, you are with your college friend, and your ex-girlfriend is now his girlfriend, and you are watching them dancing in a stage. That is the situation. Now you.
क्या करना चाहते हो?
Basically, यहाँ पे तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड ने तुम्हें धोखा दिया
Right.
और किसी और के साथ नाच रही है
And your
stage पे।
first party, he is your friend only.
He
और
is
वो
my
तुम्हारा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है।
Right.
अरे सब धोखा क्यों दे रहे हो?
And when you are watching them, they are
and I
dancing.
am watching them.
They are dancing on a stage.
मतलब मेरा I have no one.
देवदास।
मैं ऐसे ही देख रहा हूँ कि दोनों नाच रहे हैं.
देवदास।
बेवफा 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 निकली है तू झूठा प्यार गीता है तू.
Wow. Okay guys, who's next? Come on, speak so. कोई तो होगा, किसी के पास तो होगा.
Any situation. नहीं no.
We have some situation over there.
Oh, जी मासी.
You made a mistake.
I've made a mistake. Ah,
What is this
only
mistake?
there was a song to apologize. Sometimes now, once I was walking on the street, and some guy was like, "Hey, oh!" So I looked back. I thought we were doing something. "Tu hai na? Oh, Sajna ve." And I was like, "What?" And he was like, "हाँ, तू कहता है ना?" हाँ, मेरे को एक, and then he said some guy from Splitsvilla made a reel on it. And he said, अच्छा reel है वो, क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा गाना है. He said, वो अच्छा reel था. I said, मैंने तो नहीं पढ़ा लेकिन thank you. जाने दे हुई है गलती मुझसे मानता हूँ मैं क्या करूँ तुझको मनाना ही तो चाहता हूँ मैं फिर क्यों ओ सजना वे सुन सजना वे ऐसे ना मुझको ढंगे
Wow.
ओ सजना वे सुन सजना वे ऐसे ना मुझको ढंगे.
Super. Oh my god. There's someone.
Yes.
Please.
Any situation.
Yeah, he's absolutely ready.
When you keep asking for a raise, but your manager denies it for a lame reason.
Why? And I keep asking for a raise, but my manager keeps denying it for lame reasons. ये तूने क्या किया? सारी दुनिया से जीत के मैं आया हूँ इधर, तेरे आगे ही मैं हारा किया। तूने कैसे मैं दिल का राज लेता हूँ कि जब जब सांस लेता हूँ तेरा ही काम करता हूँ। तो तूने क्या किया?
Yeah, that could have also done.
Yeah.
Good one. Okay, so one more situation we have. Okay, who's
When you have to manav your parents for a school purpose, you know, you can't.
Goa trip के लिए
Masi.
गाना गा रहा है.
पेरेंट्स को मनाना है।
Yes.
So yeah, parents. मेरी माँ क्या हो माँ, मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ मम्मा।
Wow, that was so
The mom says yes back towards yes.
That's very true. Yes. वो होता है हमारे घरों में वही होता है.
Some seated situation like is there anyone from the crowd? Is any yeah go for it.
When you take, like when you're young and you like take your favorite like chocolate or a fruit for the first time and enjoy that.
Nice. Wow. पहला प्यार.
तेरा लगे कोई जादू करे, मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादू करे, किस्मत पे आए ना जो आए ना यकीन, मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादू करे।
ऐसे भी sounds very nice, but listening to it live sounds like.
Thank you. It's a special song. My brother produced this song, Soham Bhai.
Wow.
So yeah, it's a special song. And fruits तो वैसे नहीं खाता हूँ, लेकिन for the chocolate part.
So sweet. Okay, so now we are done with the situations. Or is there anyone there? इसके बाद बोलना मत कि chance नहीं दिया करके.
Any situation. And if you want to hear a very specific song, just give a very specific situation.
Now he's literally telling you guys, advertising कि please situation कुछ
I'll
ज़्यादा
start
difficult
just
दो.
picking people. Gee, when you want everyone to visit my stall.
Then you हाँ.
आजा आजा रे और मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रातों मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीत जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया हाँ तू चलिया।
Okay, now we are moving on to the next segment.
next
यहाँ पे
segment.
गाना नहीं पड़ेगा. Don't worry.
Oh, that's the only thing I'm good at.
Okay, but this is something that I really want to ask you.
जी.
Okay, this is not related to this.
अच्छा.
But हम music industry के बारे में बात कर रहे थे.
जी.
And I want to know what is the, I mean, in this industry, there are things that keep you, you know, like बहुत सारे ऐसे avenues हैं. There's a lot of clutter. But do you think there are ways to break that clutter and bring the right kind of attention to yourself?
Of course, I think one prevailing thing across any era, any generation will always be good music. I think, I mean, there is a lot of clutter, there is a lot of stuff that many could say, you know, "Arey, ye acha gana nahi hai," say. But at the end of the day, if you're working on your art, you're working on your metal, you're focusing hard, you're getting hard work. I don't think across art forms, whether that be music or anything else, I think that will always be the highest denominator. You know, is
is talent, is hard work. And I think there are many things that play into it, but nothing will ever triumph. So
That's right.
I guess, yeah, I mean, best way to Blake Carter is so cliche, but just working hard. You know,
Absolutely. So, have you ever been judged wrongly for something that you haven't done?
I've been judged wrongly for something I have. I judged wrongly for something I haven't done.
Yes. And इसमें मेरा कोई कसूर नहीं है.
Nothing comes to mind. ऐसे
घर पे भी नहीं. अरे most of the time जब बड़े बहन या बड़ी बहन या बड़े लोग बड़े बच्चे जब गलतियां करते हैं ना तो छोटों को ही
कभी
पकड़ा
कभी मेरा
जाता है.
चार्जर घूम जाता है लेकिन I mean nothing really of substance.
नहीं.
Okay.
Okay, the last one. This is the last one. So a song that you think should have gone, you wish actually,
Yeah.
you wish should have been sung by you,
A song I wish that
that you
I could have
recently
sung.
heard.
Yeah, but- a song. One song. I don't know if I don't think maybe I wouldn't have sang it better because Natasha was obviously a lot better mostly. But one song I found really cute was L-O-V-E Yappa Yappa Ah. I thought that was a very cute song. I thought it was in a very nice zone. It was very happy chachal song. So I'd love to have sang that song, but it was sang by great, scholar.
Good, chalega, chalega. But we are coming to a close about these segments, but we are going to be starting the singing segment.
Oh,
You will be performing.
gee.
So basically, Mahi has created a set list for you guys, a specially curated set list with 90s rendition and his songs. So I am very, very excited to have you over here on stage. Thank you so much, Mahi.
Thank you. Let's get a huge round of applause. So, it's so wonderful to see you and
Thank you
we
so
all
much.
had fun.
तेरी आँखों को मुझे लगाना मिलेगी ज़मीन पे कि परी देखा तुम्हें तो कहूँ क्या कुछ बाकी नहीं मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादू करी मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादू करी किस्मत पे आए ना जो आए ना यकीन मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादू करी मेरा सच तू क्या मैं देखूं ख्वाबों को था मैं जानूं तेरे हाथों को और मेरी रहना हमेशा न जाना ना कहीं तुम्हें बता सकता हूँ क्या कुछ बाकी नहीं वाला तेरा लगे कोई जादू नहीं मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादू नहीं किस्मत पे आए ना जो आए यकीन मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादू नहीं ला 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 तू ही है मेरी यादों में तू ही है मेरे हर बाबों में जाने दे पूरी है गलती मुझसे मानता हूँ क्या करूँ तुझको मनाना ही तो चाहता हूँ मैं लाइन स्पेसिफिकली चांद है तू और बाकी सितारे फीके लगे तेरे आगे सारे जब से मिली है तुझसे निगाहें देखे बिना मुझसे रहा भी न जाए तू ही छुपा है ख्याल में तू ही किताबों सवालों में चाहते तेरा ही बस मैं रहूं बिन तेरे एक दिन भी मुश्किल थी ना बिन तेरे जैसे फिर क्यों नजरें चुरावे मुझको सतावे सजना वे सुन सजना वे ऐसे मुझे ओ सजना वे सुन सजना वे ऐसे मुझे Next up, we do a 90s song. I was told that a lot of 90s kids, but it seems like we're more 2000s. But it's one of my favorite tracks from the 90s. Obviously, sometimes you get a little bit of pictures on Shah Rukh Khan. So, जादू तेरी नजर खुशबू तेरा बदन जादू तेरी नजर खुशबू तेरा बदन तू हाँ कर या ना कर तू हाँ कर या ना कर तू है मेरी किरण तू है मेरी किरण one more time जादू तेरी नजर खुशबू तेरा बदन तू हाँ कर या ना कर तू हाँ कर या ना कर तू है मेरी किरण तू है मेरी किरण तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम और यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम मुझे चुरावे मुझको सतावे सजना वे सजना वे ओ सजना वे सजना वे ऐसा मुझे मिलके भी हम ना मिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों मिलों के फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों अनजाने सिलसिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों सपने पलकों तुमसे न जाने क्यों कैसे बताए क्यों तुझको चाहे या ना बता ना पाए बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आंखें तुझे समझाए तू जाने ना तू जाने ना तू जाने ना तू जाने ना तेरा खोने लगा हूँ खोने लगा हूँ तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन की तरह जहाँ तुम भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार करे और ऐसे गगन की तरह और चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन की तरह जहाँ तुम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार भरे एक ऐसे गगन की तरह
Control,
आँखों में सपने लिए घर से हम चल दौड़े जाने ये राहें अब जाएंगे कहाँ मिट्टी की खुशबू आई पलकों पे आंसू लाए पलकों पे रह जाएगा यादों का जहां मंजिल नहीं है जाना है कारवां चलना अकेले है यहाँ तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे दिल क्यों नजर तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे दिल क्यों नजर तन्हा दिलकश नजारे देखे जुमिल सितारे देखे आँखों में फिर भी तेरा दिल जवान कितनी बरसाते हैं सौगाते लाई कानों में फिर भी गूंजे तेरी ही सदा वादे किए थे अपना होगा आशिया वादों का जाने होगा क्या तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा
सितारों के साथ सुंदर बदन ये चंचल बदन नाचेगा ऐसा इसको दीवाने आहा आहा हो इसको दीवाने आहा आहा हमारी आवाज मोहब्बत का सांस सुंदर बदन ये चंचल बदन नाचेगा ऐसा इसको दीवाने आहा आहा ओ इसको दीवाने आहा आहा
extra special again. You know, obviously got the chance to sing with dad, so we have our first song singing with my bua.
Thank you so much for being such a sport. And guys, I think that was the perfect end to this musical night. We are taking a lot of music away, a lot of memories with us and moments. Thank you so much, Mani.
Thank you, thank you.
And I was completely right. You are the perfect 90s retro.
Thank you.
You're bringing that back for us. So thank you so much. And thank you, Shanta, for being here and supporting us in a way. And thank you to our platform, which is Miller's House, Barn. Thank you so much for being such a gracious host to our guests. Thank you to this audience. You've been very warm, very, very supportive and cooperative, and thank you so much for being here today with us, sharing your Monday night with us. And finally, to the team behind this whole event, Bob Diaries.
Go Bob Diaries!
I would like to take this moment to actually gift something to not only Mahi, but you also have a lot of hampers. ऐसे खाली हाथ नहीं भेजूंगी, hampers के साथ भेजूंगी. So, but we also have something for Shan sir and the family. Please, I ordered something from Bob Diaries. That's the founder and CEO of Bob Diaries. To our sponsors, Booch, thank you so much for the support that you've shown us. Thank you so much to this lovely crowd, and that's the end of this musical night unplugged. And oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. There are more hampers for Mahi. Mahi, don't go. Yeah.
Waiting for them to take out those big khakis.
So there is this very beautiful brand. So first,
Hello.
Hello.
So basically we are from Diviner Discoveries.
Ji.
This is astrological and all modalities of science. And from our brand we are giving you a small bracelet.
Ah.
Okay, which will help you for protection, your emotions and all well-beings. I wish you very good luck. Keep growing and don't forget us.
Especially not going situation to Thana. So your ex-girlfriend is dancing with your best friend in a sitting in office. उसके लिए says I need this most. बस बोलना होता है कि
नहीं होता मुझे वो ये situation.
Okay.
So छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है शान सर के लिए भी. If you can just come on a stage, we have a small gift for you also. Please. Thank you so much, sir. So very small gift here for you also. Yes. Yeah, sure. It's our pleasure. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you again, Bob Diaries.
so there's one more brand called Sylvie, and it's basically anti-tarnish silver jewelry.
हाँ जी.
Anti-tarnish
Oh,
silver jewelry.
perfect.
Unisex.
जी.
And you are a stage performer.
जी.
हम लोग जितना भी accessories मैंने
Yeah, of course, of course, of course. हाँ जी, of course. Wow, it's
Wow, that's a very meaningful
a
gift.
musical Ganpati ji.
Yes.
So, yeah, I'm sure this will definitely stay very close to me. Thank you. Means a lot.
Thank you.
We carry some shows and nothing will
We should definitely.
a lot of good, yeah.
Yes. And then we have another hamper by Elegance by Umayma. She actually makes charms
Wow.
live.
Nice. Like, wow, okay, yeah, it's pretty good, yeah.
Hello everyone. My name is Umayma, and here we present live charms and live beads stall. So you can make everything handmade, and also there is a crochet hamper which is handmade by my lovely friends sitting there. Thank you.
It's really sweet.
बस इतना ही था.
More than enough, I'm very grateful.
But thank you, Devoy, for being our brand curator. Oh, we do have one more. I told you I'm going to gift you the kombucha that you love so much. So, Spooch, please come up.
Spooch, thank you. Yeah, I mean, I've enjoyed it already. I'll keep enjoying it. I'm sure taking so much share. I may not share, but. Oh, perfect. Done, and I'm sure I'll end up ordering the next box myself. Yes, thank you.
Well, guys, that would be all. Thank you so much, Devoy, for being our brand curator. Thank you so much, Spooch, for being our sponsors and being our support system. Thank you. And obviously to the audience, we are closing the night, but Bunny is going to do a little meet and greet with all of you.
Yes.
So, then how to get here. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. Thank you. And obviously Gio as well, who is setting this up. So thank you guys, and see you later.